Today's motivational word is I love myself totally in the now. I love myself totally in the now. Like right now, I love myself totally. Right now, you love yourself totally. Like now, right now. I know you love yourself totally. I hope this little encouraging word helps you along with your day. Right now, I'm going to create a quick eyeshadow look, and I am going to use the white from the Premium palette by Blend Bunny, this white right here. I am going to take and put it on my eyes. Lids and crease. I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue on my lids. So on the back of my hand, I'm going to use my finger and I'm placing it very lightly on the lids. I have two Chamasi multi-chrome eyeshadows here. I'm going to go between one or the other to create this look. First shade is a pumpkin color. Well, it's not pumpkin, it's orange in the pan. But you know, multi-chromes tend to change shades. It has reflection of pink and gold, so that's pretty. Ooh, these are so pretty. The next one is like a bluish color. And as you can see, this is what it's looking like. What you see in the pan is not what you get on your eyes, because this is the color right here. It looks blue, this one, but this is what it looks like on the eye. Again, they're multi-chromes. I got that in my ice cream box. Very pretty. Okay, now I'm going into one that looks like a purple. It is true purple. Wow, I am loving this. This is beautiful. Okay, now in the other palette, this is a pretty palette. I wanted to put it on white to see what it looks like. The other palette, I'm going into one that has a dark base. And that's what the palette looks like. It looks like a palette with one dark base and one light base. So this is what this one is looking like. It is very, very pretty, mermaidy-like shade. This is so pretty. I hope it's coming through. This is gorgeous. Today's simple, quick eye look is all shimmers. I will lay the matte down first and everything else is shimmers. It's a very quick look. Once you do one eye, you just go and do the second eye, boom, boom, you're done. Today's I am, I did say it in the beginning. I want to say it in the closing. I love myself totally in the now. I love myself totally in the now. Always, always, always remember to love yourself. Never ever dim your light for anyone else. Until I see you and you see me, love yourself a little bit more each and every time. Every time you can think of yourself, love you more. I know we are very busy people and we're doing everything for everyone else. And we fall on the back burner until it's too late. Love yourself a little bit each and every time. Remember to hype this video. Please share this video with a friend. And as always, I appreciate you very, very much. I will see you shortly. Bye.